everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with my Sephora Play Box for the month of August 2018. I am so excited to be unboxing this, and I'm sorry that I haven't been doing these like I said I would. I actually filmed a couple and then I hadn't edited them, and so it was too late. But now I'm here, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I finally got it open. The theme for this month is beauty school. So what the playbook looks like. So far it looks super cute. I'm not going to look inside because that tells me what products I'm getting and I don't want to see it. I just want it to be a surprise. The bag is so cute. Here's the bag, and the entire theme is back to school. Hate school, just kidding. Not really. But anyway, I really like the bag. Actually, I really didn't think I would get use out of these bags, but literally I have gotten use out of every single one of them that I've gotten. I really like this. It's a really nice extra to get. And so let's just start unboxing. So if you don't know, Sephora Play is a $10 a month beauty subscription by Sephora, and in it you get 5 deluxe samples and 1 extra. It is an awesome subscription box and I really love it. And let's see how this bag is this month. I'm reaching in for my first product. Oh, awesome. This is the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I've never tried this before, but of course I've heard amazing things. Everyone loves it. And I haven't really gotten into bronzer before. I've done a little contour, but besides that, nothing. And so this is really exciting to try because I want to start experimenting more with bronzer and stuff. Ooh, this is a pretty good size, honestly. I mean, my Tarte blush from this has lasted me months. And it is a tiny size, so I honestly think this will last me for a really long time. I'm really, really excited about this. I'm reaching in for my next product. And I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Oh my gosh, I was literally just talking about this in my last video. The clear brow gel I have right now, it's so messed up. Like, the packaging is broke everywhere, and even the applicator has broken. And so it's so exciting to try something new. This is really good, I've heard, because Anastasia Beverly Hills makes really good brow products. So this is so exciting to try this, and it's like they read my mind. My third product is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. It's super exciting because I've never tried anything from Origins, and I've been wanting to actually. I really like Rose Clay because I've had it in a mask before. This is a really, really great size. I could probably get like 10 plus uses out of this actually. Everything in Sephora Play is really, really greatly sized. It looks really small, but it lasts me forever. Any product I've gotten from this, it's all lasted me a month or more. So I'm really excited with this size, and I think this will be a really awesome mask. So my fourth product is the Makeup Forever Artist Rogue Cream Creamy High Pigmented Lipstick. It's in the shade C211. I bet this is a nude. I really like nude lipstick. They always seem to give some good nude lipsticks, so this looks like a pretty decent size. I probably wouldn't go through this that fast because I don't wear lipstick that much, but it's always nice to have one on hand. That's a really pretty shade. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. It looks like a mauve rose color, and so this would be my ideal color. And I'm super excited. It actually has a lot of product in it. I won't be going through this anytime soon, so this is awesome. My last product is the Living Proof Style Lab TBD Multitasking Styler Styling Cream. This is super exciting because I've never gotten anything from Living Proof. I haven't really gotten any hair products in Sephora Play either, so that's exciting, and maybe I can step up my hair game a little bit because it's either this or a ponytail because I don't really care. I'm going to read about this real quick because I don't really know anything about it. It says it's a versatile styling cream that can be used to define or smooth wet or dry hair. Basically like a all-in-one product, and that's really, really cool because I've never tried anything like this. Really like the playbook because it gives you a lot of information about each product that you're getting. You also get 50 extra bonus points when you make a purchase in store, so that is really exciting as well. My bonus for this month is the Way Hair Care Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. That is super exciting because I usually get a shampoo or a conditioner, not both. So it's awesome that I get to try out both, and I think this will be really good because I've heard Way has a lot of good hair products, but I've never tried any myself, so this will be really cool. Okay, so overall this month's box was amazing and probably one of my favorites I've gotten so far. I just love the box every month, and it really gives me something to look forward to. So if you're looking for a really, really great and affordable subscription that gets you excited every month, then this is the one for you. And honestly, in my opinion, I think this is the best beauty subscription you can do because you know you're getting high quality products each month that will never fail you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! The Way hair care, shampoo, and conditioner, and it's the repair. Okay, so my bone. Stop!